Hey teachers, want to sell your digital products or courses and get paid through PayPal, all inside System.io? In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to connect your PayPal account step by step so you can start making money online with ease. If you're offering lesson packs, courses, or private sessions, getting paid should be simple. System.io makes it easy. No extra apps, no hidden fees, no confusion. Step 1, you will log into your System.io account. If you don't have one yet, grab a free account using my link below. It's 100% free to start. Step 2, you'll go to Settings in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down. In the Settings menu on the left-hand side, scroll down and click Payment Gateways. This is where you'll connect your PayPal and Stripe. You'll see a section for PayPal. Just paste the PayPal email address that you use to receive payments. Then click Save, and that's it. So mine is already connected. So you'll just click on PayPal. You will drop your email address that you use for PayPal and click Save, and then it's connected. No complicated API, no integrations, just one email, ready to get paid. Once you're connected, go to your product funnel and make sure PayPal shows as a payment option at checkout. And now you're ready to make sales. So let's quickly go to the funnel. So this is the funnel we created in the previous video. Okay, so we have our sales page, our order form. So step 2, you'll go to Settings in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down. In the Settings menu on the left-hand side, scroll down and click Payment Gateways. This is where you'll connect your PayPal and Stripe. Let's click on View Funnel. Okay, you'll add your email and your name. Okay, and then it goes to the order form, and there you can see PayPal is connected. Let's click on View Funnel. Okay, you'll add your email and your name. Now I'm quickly going to show you how to add your digital product. Okay, so on the order form configuration, you'll go down. Now we're going to add the product that you're going to sell. Okay, we're going to click on the plus sign because we're going to add a new one. 10 challenge. Okay, we'll click on resources. This is where you will choose the product that you've created. So we're going to click on courses because you'll add it there in courses. And then it'll show up on this list. You'll just search for it and click it. Okay, and then you can also choose full access, partial, or drip. We'll give them full access. So once they buy the lesson pack or the worksheet or one-on-one lessons, they'll get full access straight away. And then we're going to add a price plan. Okay, we're going to create a new one. You can call it, we'll call it 10-day challenge. Okay, you can call it whatever you want. Then the system descriptor, that this is what will show up on their bank account or bank statements. Okay, we'll choose one-time payment and then how much ever you're going to sell it for. We'll say $27. Okay, so now you've added your digital product. We'll click Save. Save. Okay, so now it's added. Let's just test it. Okay, it is there. Let's quickly test it. So we'll quickly click on View Funnel. Okay, add your name. Yes, I want the challenge. Okay, add your name and email. Okay, you can see it's there under order summary, 10-day challenge, $27. Click on Pay, and then it'll take them to the PayPal to pay. So there you have it. That is how to connect your PayPal. So there you have it. That is how to, if you're ready to build your funnel and sell your teaching offers online, System.io is honestly one of the easiest platforms to start with. You can sell digital products, grow an email list, and even launch a course all in one place. Click the link in the description to try System.io for free. And if you want help getting set up, send me a DM on Instagram. I will also leave that in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more teacher-based tutorials, and drop a comment if you've got any questions. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal so that they can pay with credit or debit card, because not everyone has PayPal, but there is a way to add the credit or debit card using PayPal. See you in the next video.